New t-shirt. I'm not playing games. Here we go, y'all. We are on our last day of the Pythagorean Theorem, a video made by yours truly to sponsor your mathematical thinking. So let's look, y'all. Our boy Pythagoras has given us another way to look at the Pythagorean Theorem. Uncle Thag. That's not a great name for him. Especially if his name starts with a P. But y'all know how we do. We just cut out. We be chopping up names. We'll take that piece and make a nickname out of it. Uncle Thag. What up, Thag? All right. So, let's see. I lost my. So today we're talking about coordinate geometry. That's why the coordinate plane is here. And this lesson is going to be short. So you're going to love me, which is the last lesson today. Yep. Y'all love me anyway. Don't deny it. I can call some names of the people that try to deny this love. All right, so plot the point -3, 6, and 2, 4. Then find the distance between the points. I gotta come for y'all face, y'all. Gotta come for your face. Do y'all remember when y'all couldn't plot points? Oh, I will never forget this lesson. I was just like, y'all can't do what? And look at you now. Pythagorean theorem experts, slope experts, systems of equations, inequality experts. You're a beast now. So proud of y'all. Y'all couldn't even plot a point. Won't he do it? I'm trying to tell you every time, boy. So it says plot the point -3, 6, and 2, 4. Then find the distance between the points. So let's go to -3, 6. -1, 2, 3, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do y'all remember when y'all couldn't do that? Woo! Gotta love my 8th graders. And then we plot the point 2, 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how do I want to post this? They want us to find the distance between them. Extra credit. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so what would you do to find the distance between those points? This would be worth 2 points, and because you can't fast forward in the video, you can't really, whatever. Yeah, so 2 points if you answer that open-ended question. Extra credit. Okay, so what would you do? This is what I would do. I would draw a line right here. Oh, so let me scaffold it. So if you got it right the first time, I'm gonna make that worth 2 points. And then with me drawing this line, I'm gonna make it worth 1 point. If you didn't get it right the first time, what would you do now to find the distance between the points? Boy, I just did a video on extra credit, and this reminds me, man, come on, Mr. O'Neill. I changed, Mr. O'Neill. All right, we're back. So this is what you would do. This is what I would do. I would make a right triangle. Let me change the colors so I can stress, like, I would make a right triangle and then do what? Use the Pythagorean theorem. So you can make your right triangle that way, or if you're fancy, it doesn't matter. You can make your right triangle going this way. Either way, you have you have a right triangle. So if you use the red triangle, you will have this side being 2, and this side, because that's 1, 2, and this side being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you use the purple triangle, just stay right here because I'm tired of you disappearing and then coming back. Keep you behind there. This is 2, and then this will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either way, I am missing what side? C. Okay, now I wanted to move after I did all of that. So keep you behind here. Now I want you to move out the way. All right, so I'm still missing C. So this will be my A over here. This will be my B right here. And it just happens that this will be my A as well. This will be my B. Again, it doesn't matter. It's just what I do. All right, great. So I'm missing C. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. That's what C squared is equal to. So C squared is equal to, what's A? A is 2 squared plus b. b is 5 squared. So c squared is equal to 4 plus 5 squared, which is 25. C squared, I know I can fly through this because I know y'all know how to do this by now, is equal to 29. And then we take the square root of 29. We know that's not a perfect square. And y'all know y'all can use Desmos like we've been doing. Square root of 29 will be 5.38. That 8 will round you up to a 4. C is approximately 5.4 units. All right, that's what I would do. Make a triangle. Or what type of triangle? Oh, wait, Mr. O'Neill. A right triangle. Because those are right angles. All right, so with that understanding, we're going to keep it moving. I guess I got to throw in a question before we move here. So if I needed to find the distance between the points, I could do this. Make a triangle like this. Y'all do know that we're doing rise over run, right? You do understand that, like a formal rise over run. And then I could do this, because the distance formula, when you get into math 1, it's just rise over run. All right, so if I use the rise over run red, I have this to be 1, 2, light red, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1, 2, 3. So, and I am missing side C, and it doesn't matter if I use the other triangle, I still end up with 4 and 3. And so we have c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. I'll let this be my a. I'll let this be my b. C squared. Y'all know this is the very first Pythagorean triple. So y'all should know, like when you see 3 and 4, you already know that you're going to end up with what? 5. Y'all don't play yourself. That's a 9, not an a. 25, take the square root. Square root. C is equal to 5. All right. So the distance between that point, those 2 points, is 5. And for the last one, if I made my right triangle going down right here, nope, went too far, Mr. O'Neill, and then right there, let's get my little eraser tool for this section right here. Don't play with me. Too much erasing. All right, bring you down. Man, I want green. Bring you down right here. So that's my green one. This is my gray. You trying to embarrass me? That's what you're trying to do. Gray one. Either way, green or gray. Lord have mercy. Okay, green or gray. We're just gonna pick one color, black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. That has to be 8. That has to be 8. So we're missing C. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared is equal to 8 squared plus 8 squared. 8 squared is 64 plus 64. 64 plus 64 equals 128. The square root of 128, I don't perfectly know, so I'm going to use my calculator. Square root of 128 gives me approximately 11.31. That's going to round that to a 3. So C is approximately 11. Every time I try to move this thing, you messing up my flow. Killing my mood. Killing my mood. Move. Killing my mood. C is approximately 11.3 units. Forgot units over here. Y'all, that's today's lesson. And so in Floop, this is what you're doing. No, you do not have to create a coordinate plane. What I want you to do on your sheet of paper, I want you to just draw what the diagonal looks like. So you just do that, and then you'll make whatever triangle you choose to make. Again, over here, you'll draw whatever the diagonal looks like, and then you'll make whatever triangle the way you want it to make it. All right, so that is what you're doing, and that is what you're submitting into Floop for your work. And I'm not going to make you put your answers into here today. So the only thing that I'm going to ask you at the end is, I don't know. I'll come up with it when I get there. Whatever. Here we go, y'all. This has been another beast mode. Skinny. All right, Skinny. Okay, Skinny. I see you. Beast mode production. This is Mr. O'Neill. I'm out.